This Khan, and this is a new video about the new version of Pathloss which just arrived almost 10 days ago. So if you see, there are 4 or 5 things that they have added, and like there's a new bill of material report added, then FCC FRN report in Excel, then a bug is corrected. Link import problem is corrected. Radio lookup table does not prompt to select radio specification, and corrected frequency assignment when using importing from ULS. So some of these things I will not go in detail, but like new bill of material I will show you from the current path loss, and we will see that in operation we don't have any bill of material thing. So when I will upgrade it, hopefully, because this is the previous version. Also, it says that in FCC ULS there is something new, some Excel export. This also I will try to see it here. Also, some other things like antenna index and these kind of things. These we will try to explore, but if I am not even able to show, then there should not be any big problem because some of the scenarios, they are not very easy to be created, but at least whatever is easy we will try to find. Also in the previous email there was one thing missing, which I will find it and I will share some detail about that as well. So let me stop this video here for a while, and then I will update the path loss, and then I will show you everything. So just bear with me for a while. Let's connect again. Okay, so this is now updated. You can see the version is 70 now. So let's see, first thing first, in operation, now we can see that there's a bill of material report, says that you need it for all signs, all links, and it will be saved as an Excel file. Let me save it somewhere, and let me open it for you. So we can see that it has created a Excel report. Let me open it and let's see. Okay, there is some small issue, but I don't think it's very big. So it's a two sheets, site equipment columns and site equipment rows. These are 4 sites, radio model, and these are site antennas. So this is the total for all sites. So I think this is a very good thing. I mean, if you are working on a network, then I think that you must be creating some similar kind of reports. So it's giving you the antenna and the equipment and the length and everything. So like it's showing the equipment as well, and radio model and antenna model. So I think this is something good, and okay. Then other thing was the FCC. I will not go in any much detail of it because I don't work in US. I have not a very good idea of it. But I feel that if we give it some call signs, then maybe we will be able to generate some kind of report in Excel as per them. That FCC URL report in Excel format. Some bugs are corrected. So radio lookup table. Let me try to open radio lookup table only. As I said, I will not go in a lot of detail. So the radio lookup table. So if we go, what it says, select specification when prompting files from radio file index. Okay, I think this is also not something very easy, but nevertheless, I will say that if they are saying that they have done something, then we should assume that something is done, because if we are not working in detail, then we may not know. So corrected frequency assignment importing from ULS. So it means that maybe previously when you are importing from ULS, the frequencies were not correctly assigned. So it should be working fine now. One thing that I said that from the previous. So in the previous, there was a fixed unit on link legend label when criteria set to fade margin. This let me show you. Let me open a bigger network. So we have a link legend. So this link, you can see it through many legends. and it says that it has corrected something on the fade margin. So again, I don't use it a lot, but let me just make it for you. Like for example, if I ask you to see this, it has given the colors as per the margin. So maybe it was initially not working fine. Maybe there was some bug here, which is now corrected, but this thing I missed in my last video. So from here you can go to operations and link legend, and then you can give your links any kind of region like fade margin, antenna height, clearance. Based on all these things you can give different colors to your links. So like you see now, these are all based on RX signal. So in the same way, you can, it was having some issue in the fade margin one, but now as per Pathloss, this issue is corrected. It was corrected in the previous update, but I missed it last time, so I added it here. So I hope that this all video should be fine for you. You should have learned something out of it, and let's meet in some future video. So goodbye.